Welcome to Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Rotorua, the only high-tech lab in the Bay of Plenty. We're your go-to experts for all things electronics. Whether it's your smartphone, laptop, gaming console, or any personal device, we've got the skills and tools to get it back in top shape. Smartphone issues? No problem. From screen replacements and battery fixes to camera repairs, port issues, signal chip problems, or even motherboard repairs, we handle it all. Water damage? We've got you covered. Data recovery? Consider it done. And here's the best part, most repairs are completed the same day, backed by a warranty for your peace of mind. We're not just about smartphones, though. We specialize in Apple products, laptops, desktops, computers, Xbox, and gaming consoles. But that's not all. We also support small repair shops across New Zealand. If you're a shop that doesn't have the latest tools or expertise, simply ship the device to us. We'll diagnose, quote, repair, and ship it back, good as new. So, whether you're in Rotorua or anywhere in New Zealand, trust Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles to keep your tech running smoothly. Visit us online at www.budgetrepaircentre.nz, give us a call at 0734777044, or message us on our Facebook page. Let us take care of your tech, because we are here to make your life easier.